Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Mrs. King, an art teacher from Colorado. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, my name is Mrs. King and I am an elementary art teacher in Colorado. In my classroom, my students and I love open-ended art activities that focus more on the process and less on the final product. So as you are following along today, I hope you have fun experimenting with art materials, discovering new techniques, and creating art that makes your heart happy. Thanks for watching. To create our paper tube sculptures, you need a piece of paper for a background, scissors, glue, and a paper tube. If needed, you can now pause the video to gather your materials and set up your workspace. There are so many different ways that you can transform a paper tube into a sculpture. Today, I'm going to show you two different ideas. The first idea I'm going to show you is creating a sculpture in the round. That means the sculpture is meant to be viewed on a table, for example, that you can walk all the way around it and see all of the sides and edges. The second idea I'm going to share with you today is how to create a relief sculpture using paper tubes. A relief sculpture is meant to be hanging on a wall. It's not flat like a drawing or a painting, it sticks out just a little bit. But it's not a sculpture that you can walk all the way around like a sculpture in the round. A relief sculpture. Now, these are just a couple of ideas that I'm showing you today, but I encourage you to explore and experiment and come up with your own ways to change these paper tubes into works of art.